So guys, first you have to come this site dell.com, this officially website, so you can download the latest driver. After that, click on support, then driver and download. Then enter the model number Dell Inspiron 3452 and then click search. So this is your laptop. Now this is a two method to install the automatic update, so just click on it. Otherwise this is a manually. If you are facing the specific device like cameras and internet and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you have to select this. Select the operating system which is you are using. Okay, and if you can see Windows 11 is not showing here, and if you are using Windows 11, so you no worry, you just select the Windows 10. It will support the Windows 11. Okay, and then click on categorize. Slow down. Last, the last you can see the graphic driver, you can say display driver. Okay, a graphic video driver, software enabled communications graphic operating system. So this is downloading. Just click to download. After, so it is complete, start downloading. So it will take some time, and depend about your internet speed is good, so you can install easily and rapidly. Then it is completed, then just single click to open. Then click on yes, then click on install. So you can see, if you are issued when you installing driver to your laptop, you have to restart, then you just next open this driver and then double click to launch, then next to install, then it is completed, then restart your system and then it is